Is this like one of those like a square is a parallelogram,
but a
quadrilateral?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, it's exactly that,
Gotcha.
actually. Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with My Dumb Friends. I'm Christian, and this is...
I'm Jenny.
Alright, so today we're gonna make bacon sandwiches. No, that's not the same as BLT. These are way better. And we're gonna make some bomb-ass mac and cheese. So get ready for that. The first thing we're gonna do is get our ingredients together. Pretty simple. We got pasta over there. Hacha!
Behind the scenes.
Yep. We got our cheeses. Focaccia rolls for our sandwiches.
Nice.
Right?
I'm super excited. You make the best food.
Bacon sandwich.
Professional right here.
I don't know.
Culinary school trained? What?
I've cooked once or twice. Bacon sandwiches is something that I always made for Jenny when we were roommates. We'd all be hungover the next morning, and I'm like, I'll make a bacon sandwich. And she's like, good. From the couch. I'll take a bacon sandwich.
I'm like, yeah.
Please and thank you.
Yeah, totally.
Just dying.
Hey, what do you put in there? Onions?
Yeah, this is...
I'm
What goes in that onion-shaped thing? Onions? Good one. All right, for our mac and cheese, we have milk. We've got some... We're doing cavatappi because it looks fancy and beautiful. We're going to have sharp cheddar and Parmesan in our cheese sauce, you know, along with some butter, garlic, onion, and flour. And then for our bacon sandwiches, we're going to make the chipotle aioli. And that's going to be mayonnaise, parsley, chipotle peppers. We're going to put some spinach on it. We've got these focaccia rolls that are going to be delicious. And bacon. And we might put some onion in there too. So, I love onion.
Yeah, I'm excited. This sounds good.
I know, right? This is
Yeah.
really good. Alright, cool. So, we'll get started with the bacon themes. So, we're going to throw these bacons on here.
Okay.
Oh my god, so we went to the grocery store today to buy this. And I was like, hey, can I get a half a pound of the bacon? He was like, 20 pounds? I was like, no, not 20 pounds.
Here.
I think here has got more space.
Yeah. You're right.
We'll get the pot going for our mac and cheese.
Oh, yeah. I'm like, where's that casserole dish? Like,
Like,
whatever.
oh, I haven't seen it.
Oh. It's like, have you ever played Metal Gear Solid? You know, like when like the guards suspect you, that like question mark or like the exclamation pop over it. What was that noise?
Yeah.
Whose footprints are these?
If you flip a bunch of times, then all of a sudden, okay, so it's going to cook up to that level. You flip it, it starts cooking the other side. You flip it, it has to cook from the bottom up again. You flip it, it has to cook from the bottom up again. Oh. And then all of a sudden, that layer of meat is just getting cooked a bunch of times.
Gotcha.
So, okay, so we're going to cut up some parsley for the chipotle aioli and for the mac and cheese.
Both. Nice.
Both.
Dual purpose.
Parsley's good. This is the flat parsley. I usually do curly, but flat's good too. Some people, flat's all they got, you know?
True that. Some nice knife skills you got going on there.
Well, we just sharpened the knives in our last mini-sode.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I got some sharpening stones and stuff that were a gift.
I need to invest in some of those as well.
Yeah, well, I mean, it makes your knife last so much longer. I feel so old when I talk about, like, my investment going farther, though, like, for real. I'm just like, alright, I'm old now. Let's go. I'm gonna let you chop the garlic. You think you can do it?
Yeah.
I know you can.
Sorry about the knife skills. They definitely are
You're
not
good.
there.
So what will help you have more control with the knife is if
Like
you...
that?
Actually, if you put your thumb here,
Really?
yeah, and pinch it like that, because then all of a sudden, there's no way it can ever not be directly under your fingers.
Okay. Huh. The more you know. With
The more you know.
salt or oil?
Yep, I put some salt in there. So
that ups the boiling temperature?
Yes, it makes it boil faster.
Okay.
Salt is conductive. So with cold or with hot, you know how you put salt on ice to make something cool faster?
Okay, like ice cream if you're making
right,
it home.
exactly. That's what the whole rock salt situation is for.
Okay.
If you want to mix that up, that's our chipotle mayo.
Okay.
So
did you just chop up the peppers? Or?
Yeah, the chipotle peppers, yeah.
Okay, cool.
And the adobo sauce, how they come.
Well, I've never made anything like this before, so now I don't really know.
Oh, all right.
My first time.
First timer.
First timer here.
First time caller, long time listener.
Simplest in Seattle.
You can put your face on it, who cares? We're eating it. Alright, I think it's shot 30. And I'm staring down the barrel of shot 45. Right? It's pretty good.
I like it. Good job.
Alright.
You punny.
Cheers, me.
Cheers.
I am punny. To being punny, oil would prevent overflow, but it would also prevent the sauce from sticking to the noodles.
Really?
So, yeah. So
we
actually, So I mean, it's all about a preference that we love so much. Because I'm addicted to cheese, even though I'm lactose intolerant. Cheese pull game is strong. I love mozzarella sticks, macaroni and cheese, grilled cheeses, pizza. Oh my god.
Everybody who knows me knows I love pizza.
Pizza, mac and cheese, bacon. These are Bean's Jameson. These are her top 4 things in life.
Hey, stop making me sound so good. I can't take it. Blushing over here.
Just trying to pump you up, for everybody. All 30 people who watch.
Obviously.
Yeah, I mean, that's how she stays so fit.
Yeah, totes.
I just want.
Christian.
We were just rewatching the fucking Scooby-Doo on Netflix. Yeah. That's perfect.
Hilarious.
That's perfect. It's timely. All right. The pasta's done.
Wait, am I doing this?
Yeah. Like I always say, it's cooking with my dumb friends, not cooking for my dumb friends.
Not dumb, by the way.
None of my friends are dumb. That's kind of what makes them funny.
You guys should get a green screen and then we could cook like under the sea or something.
Under the sea, darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me. Okay. We'll relight that. Get that butter melting. So what we want to do.
So you're turning it up here, or pretty low, right?
Yeah, on the lower side.
Okay.
Low to medium. And we're going to add the onions and the garlic right away before it gets hot because we want to sweat them, which is...
What does that mean?
Alright, so sweating is...
Like that could make you sweat some?
Almost, yeah.
No, I'm just kidding.
It's where you don't want to cook them to the point of caramelization, where you get what's called the Maillard reaction, which is caramelization in a nutshell. You really just want them to become translucent without the sugars browning.
Okay.
So you do it at a pretty low temperature.
Okay.
Almost there. You want to add the parsley to the... You can use the knife to help you scoop it. Okay, so the thing about a roux is you want equal parts fat to equal parts flour.
Okay.
So we put 2 tablespoons of butter in there.
Okay.
You want to put 2 level tablespoons of flour.
Okay.
And I'll stir it in for you. So you'll just use your hand. Or yeah, you can mince in. Bean? Yeah, there you go. So for the milk, we're going to do 2.5 cups.
Thanks for picking my strong suit.
I'm pouring.
I pour for a living, so, this is
I'm a
right
poor
up my
kid.
alley. Yeah. Yep. Okay.
Bring it on, B.
So, are you officially lactose intolerant, or what?
This is lactose-free milk.
I saw that. I
Yeah.
saw the label.
Yes, I've always been officially lactose intolerant, unfortunately. You just want to break up the flours so that it doesn't get clumpy. Yeah, okay. Exactly.
That makes sense.
And then we're going to turn the heat up a little bit. And then we're just going to let it thicken. Because the thing about a roux is, because of the flour, it requires heat to activate the gluten, which is the protein in flour, and it thickens. It smells so good.
Mm-hmm. So is this when you want to add, like, the cheese and stuff?
Actually, you want to wait till you get what's called...
Do you get to, like, a simmer or a boil?
Well, okay, so here's a interesting thing. You want to wait till you get what's called a nappe. And a nappe is where...
Sounds super American. No, I'm just
kidding.
It
just sounds nappy. It just sounds like nappy, but fancy, but it's not. It's French. Nappe. My hair isn't nappy, it's nappe. Actually, what a nappe is where it coats the back of the spoon. And we're almost there because you can kind of see a line on the back of the spoon. You see what I'm talking about? All right, let's pull these guys out. Toasty.
I see what you're doing over here, and
I like it. So dip the spoon all the way in, and then turn it over to the back of it. You see how it coats the back of the spoon? That's what they call a nappe. Yeah, my cheesy homies are my favorite homies. Look at that. Look at that.
Looks really good. This is like that Britney Spears song, Give Me More.
Give me more. Give me more. Give me more.
Okay, I got it.
Alright, that's good. That's probably good. Little darling, steer it up.
Come on and stir it up.
Oh, we're going to turn it up. And we're going to add pasta. So you add an amount that you think is appropriate pasta to cheese coverage. I'll give you a different spoon.
Oh. Imagine if this was like a VR situation.
Oh my god. Oh!
I'm so sorry.
You're totally fine. I hope you.
P.S.
Oh!
I missed.
Let's just do it all.
Hey, at least I got the big block.
You did. 2. We're going to make one for our cameraman, Cullen.
He's doing great.
Alright, so I'm going to do...
Go side, it's
let's take this spoon out. I think I'm going to do both, honestly. So. Let's eat this delicious thing. Like, I think we've made this cheesy, awesome... Deliciousness, yeah. Absolutely. Alright, B, let's try these bacon sandwiches. Oh my god. Thank you so much for watching. We made some seriously American, seriously, just delicious, right in your belly face, these areas, foods. And I hope that you had a good time watching us, and that you'll subscribe and like.
You know they did.
And share that shit. Come on. They're gonna do both.
You had the best time. Let's do it.
You had the best time. Alright, we'll see you next time, guys. Bye.